pop out. Okay. Luigi! Come here! Eva! Louise! Gatekeeper! I wouldn't do that.
Down, Diesel.
Say I did kissy. Mama scared.
Back up.
See, Mama scared me. Hi, Rue. Hi, Kara. Hi, Kara Mia. Why are you doing this? It didn't say to take that piece off. No.
One,
Ow.
two.
Why are you taking two out?
Because it had two in there and we're replacing it with only one.
Why?
That's just how it works. Because this is bigger.
Is my stuff on these things?
No.
What are these for?
This is just memory. This is not hard drive.
I don't. That's the stupidest thing. I don't know who named those. Memory. Memory means it remembers things. Excuse me. I thought I was supposed to be doing this.
Well, I'm doing
Einstein.
this part for you just because it's difficult.
Oh, that stuff over there is shampoo for you, by the way.
Where?
That came in the mail.
Oh, okay. So that goes there.
Stop it. I'm checking for bugs.
Stop. Back. Wash that out, please.
Ooh, I'm gonna lose a screw.
No, don't lose your screw. Then you'll have a screw loose.
Hold it with your finger on the screw.
Okay. It won't come out. It's got one of those thingies. You brat. Yes, it's the. Come screw your screw. There, go screw your screw.
I wanted to put it in. You wanted me to do it.
Oh, I was helping you. I can take it back out again if you want.
No. No. Okay.
I'll go plug it back in again.
No, carry it in there.
Oh, here. Okay. I picked it up upside down. Can you kind of flip it for me? It's slightly upside down. There you go. Now it's right side up again.
Grab those wires.
Shall we see if it has the magic bong? I know which one goes where, so it's fine.
I can't see in here. Where's the three or the ground plug?
It goes like this. Oh, hold it. Push. 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 Heave ho!
Shut up!
That one goes furthest to the right.
Am I missing one?
Yeah, you're missing these. Wow, you actually got them to fit right the first time. Usually it takes me a couple flips to get them to go in.
I look.
Oh, smart one.
Is that the right one? That was not in all the way.
That's fine.
It just doesn't go in it.
Just doesn't go in all the way.
What's this for?
What's what for? That's a USB hub.
Everything's hooked up?
Yep.
My cord's good. here. The button.
We'll see if it bongs.
Boom, 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 boom.
It bongs.
Bong.
We had a bong.
All right.